Okay, the any question na mo. Now see here there are two terms mush. So this the first term now when y is equal to 2x squared x plus 1 plus 2, it means that we need to first differentiate this and then differentiate the other value. Now we already know that when you differentiate the first term, that is this, there are two functions there plus differentiate 2. So now differentiation of constant is 0, so it's better even if you like ignore the problem neighbor. So y is equal to constant bindimo. Now differentiate the ka peko mo analu. Now any differentiate both alu ngachiki kashta ko mo seuchi function ni dubate. There are 2x square the lani di multiplied with a bracket binomial term x plus 1 dubamu. So any particular differentiate benigiten lunga chiki 2x square x plus 1 differentiate benigiten do two methods ito ka. The method 1 di because mo exponent binomial term ki exponent 1 biniti ngachi direct open bracket open byoda to beba. So chiga ki term times namko na ki term byoda ngachi gachi mo 2x cube plus 2x squared thapchibade maka. So now expanded form the any byoda lu directly ngachi the any differentiate both the jambate, so individual with differentiate both. So your y dash is equal to, so differentiate x cube, so exponent will come in front, so 3 nale minus 1 bay delay 2 nale exponent will come in front, delay 2 minus 1 mush. So y dash is equal to 6x square plus 4x. So this is your answer. Now method 2 the ngachigi uv method pani. So when you have 2x square x plus 1 you consider this as first function as u, second function as v. So by formula, since we have when y equals to uv, y dash is equal to u differentiate v plus v differentiate u. So let u is equal to 2x square, v equals to x plus 1 more bracket ki. So u dash is equal to 4x, v dash is equal to 1 plus 0 because this will give you 1 and this will be 0. So v dash is equal to 1. Now what you need is, you only need v dash, you need v, you need u, and you need u dash. Formula na to go, but I'm also put in the formula. So now y dash is equal to u की value कच्चे में 2x square, ते v dash की value कच्चे में 1, तेले plus v की value कच्चे में, so two terms do bracket ना चुनी, तेले u dash दी 4x. So now you just simplify. So 2x square plus 4 into first term is 4x square plus 4 into 4x into 1 is 4x. Now like terms and unlike terms. Like terms let me variable x square. So चार chip to बता मो x square ba x square ki dongas to positive 4, x square ki dongas to positive 2. So positive 2 positive 4 will give you positive 6, tele plus 4x. So see answer same thing mat imega the ani same way machi analu you can use any of the method. So you can simplify, meaning you can open up the bracket because any binomial term ki exponent 1 imebate, so ani bodalu it becomes easier to open the bracket. So even if you want to multiply like this you can, so it will become, so analu x raised to half times x raised to 1 imate, if there is nothing the exponent is 1, then plus x raised to half times 1 is x raised to half more. Now in this case you can use this power law which says, product law mo exponent ki a raised to r times a raised to s is equal to a raised to r plus s. But the formula, since this formula exists, no, so you have x raised to half plus 1, the plus you have x raised to half. So half plus 1 is equal to half plus 2 over 2, which is equal to 3 over 2, right? So 3 over 2 plus x raised to half. So see, expansion form is like that. Now your question which is y equals to x raised to 3 over 2 plus x raised to half, when you differentiate you will get 3 over 2x 3 over 2 minus 1 plus 1 over 2 x raised to 1 over 2 minus 1. So y dash is equal to 3 over 2 x raised to, so 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 x raised to negative 1 over 2. So this is your answer. Now here you cannot combine because banana plus 2, and it's also not like terms because one is negative exponent, another one is positive exponent. So this is your final answer. Now when it comes to method 2, now when will you use method 2? Method 2 you will use when the binomial term has exponent more than 1. But it's not that 1 array use chap mitup se member use chap tup tup. So quotient x raised to half x plus 1 raised to 1 nalu. Even if you consider these two as two function, u the v will consider baby. Let u equals to x raised to half, v equals to x plus 1 bartupa. So u dash is equal to half x half minus 1. So v dash is equal to, so differentiation of x is 1, differentiation of 1 is 0. So your v dash is equal to 1, whereas u dash is equal to half x raised to negative half. Now we just have to put in the formula, so which is y dash equals to u differentiated value of v, then plus v in bracket, because two terms, differentiated value of u is half. If I change this exponent, it will be root of in the denominator, right? So now you just have to expand. So x raised to half is root x, plus you open up the terms. If you want to open, you can. Otherwise numerator multiply bejani celebrate problem me. Or if you want to give to individual also, it's no problem. But the more simplified form, if you ask me, is the above one. So if you stop here, that's fine. So these two are equal. Okay, now you must be wondering, no, here now if you simplify here, it will be giving you the same answer. So 3 over 2 root of x here, then plus 1 over 2. So if I bring this one down, it will become root of x. No, negative will become positive when you change the place. Then 2 to same. So what you can do is here you can multiply root x. You have to also multiply root x just to make same denominator. So 2 root x will become, so root x will become positive, so it will be 3x. Root x will become x, right? Then plus 1, so 3x plus 1 divided by 2 root x. So this is what we have got. Now similarly here, if you want to expand here, you can make same denominator, so which means you need to make here 2 root x. So if I multiply 2 root x, I need to also multiply up, so it will become 2 root x will give you x, the plus x plus 1, so denominator you have root x, 2 root x, so which is equal to 2x plus x will give you 3x plus 1, denominator 2 root x. So see, ultimately you are getting the same answer, right?